Hello friends, how are you? Happy Friday. It's Friday, yeah?
Thursday.
It feels like a Friday because we are chaperoning a field trip at the Minnesota Zoo. I got a little matcha. And yeah, the weather is so nice. It's like 67 degrees at 9:41 a.m. So the weather, you know, is going to be beautiful. But then it's going to rain later. But that's so. Field trip was fun, and we decided to just take Jacob home because they were going to take the bus to the school, and then we were going to pick him up at school same time as pickup time. So I was like, no, we're going to take him out, and so he's with us. And then the other parents started doing that too, and I was like, exactly, because it's the same time they leave school. And since we're in like the zoo area, we're not familiar with the area, but we looked up a paleta place. Yay! I'm so excited. I love paletas. Last year, I think 5th grade, Liam had a Minnesota Zoo field trip, and Justin and I chaperoned last year. That one was easier because they didn't have a research paper. Like this group had a research, and so they had to research a specific animal. Jacob's was an otter. Every kid had a different one, so we had to find the place and like go around and like answer all the questions on the research paper. It got a little stressful. I was like, do we have time? Like, is it gonna be okay? But we made it with extra time, and the kids went pee before they got on the bus. We found one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's a big old ice cream drinks. And then I got those drinks. I got all the goodies. Justin ate his paleta already. He got pistachio. Jakey got a big old ice cream. Oh my goodness, I love these chips. And then I got the Valentina sauce on the side so it doesn't make it soggy. Oh my gosh, she did me so good. She gave me so much sauce. And look at that.
That was smart to get it on the side.
Yeah, and then I got another one for later. The thing about me is I drink so many calories. Like I could drink like a whole like day's worth of calories, like thousands of calories off of drinks. Like I just love drinks. That's always been my favorite thing. Hello my friends. I did end up making some mango sticky rice. I love it. My kitties are like, what's it? What's it? Hello friends, how are you? I gotta share something. So we're on our way to like an Asian festival in Edina, right? And I didn't even know about this. Justin was the one that found it. He's like, we're going tomorrow. And I was like, I'm not feeling it. Just want to stay home. Because today we're also going to the park and dinner and then Sharon's house afterwards with the family. And I was like, that'll be our outing like later on in the day. He goes, no, we're going. It's an Asian festival. You need to be around your peoples. But get you a man that like really wants me to find my community here. Thank you, boo. I appreciate you. I will make you egg rolls anytime. Lumpia, what you want? Adobo?
Just
I will give you some halo halo. I'll give you my leche flan.
You already did.
Anyways, yeah, so yesterday was the boys' piano recital. It was so good. Good job, boys. You guys are so amazing.
Crushed it.
You guys are amazing. They're so good at piano. I was such a proud mommy. I was just smiling. Like, I feel like my smile went from ear to ear. Like this. Like a creepy, scary lady. Anyways, it was awesome. And then before piano recital was Sophia's birthday. She likes capybara, so it was like a capybara theme. And we had it at Uncle Brad's house because they have a pool. And it was 80 degrees yesterday, so we got to enjoy their pool. And yeah, now we're on our way to Edina. We're here. I got an ube horchata. The boys got like a passion fruit drink. This is adobo flavored cheese curds. That is so interesting. Justin's over there at the Filipino Homestyle Eats getting the rest of the food. This is a beautiful day. We got our food. Veggie, lumpia, pancit, some meat skewers. Oh, you guys should have ordered rice. Did they have rice or just garlic?
Yeah, just garlic rice.
Oh, okay. And then turon, adobo curds, regular lumpia, and then Liam got also some skewers. And look, the water, oh my gosh, it's a beautiful day. And then that's like part of the Asian festival there too. Hello friends, happy Sunday. So yesterday I think I left off, what were we doing? Yesterday, oh, we went to the Asian festival and then got some good food, and then we went to the P.O. box, and then we got a plant for Sharon. It was her birthday. We went to the park with the family, chased around Chicken Little, and I met a subscriber friend. Her name is Maribel. That was so cool to see her family. So shout out to you if you're watching. And then we went to this place called Park Tavern. They have an outdoor patio, and we had dinner there for Bubby's birthday, and Bubby invited her friends too, so we got to see her friend and the family again, which was nice. And now we're going to Liam's Boy Scout like rank up, and so it's more like dressy, like every rank up is like dressy. And Justin and Liam are already there, so Jacob and I are we're going there right now. This is my sweater. It's my favorite. It's a wrap sweater that I got from JLux label. Like, I love it. I wear it with everything. Like, I'm wearing it with dressy pants, and yeah, I'm wearing it like that. Oh, and I work with JLux label now. I have an affiliate code, so if you guys are interested, anytime you shop at JLux label, you can use my code now, April 10, and get 10% off. Oh, here we are on the carpet now, just walking. Oh, you turned around? Good job. Go play somewhere. Oh, never mind. There he is. Having some dinner. The weather is so nice, you guys. I love it when Minnesota's weather is beautiful. Justin and I like to split everything we get now. We got a walleye fish sandwich and salmon, and then the kids got that. Hello, friends. Good morning. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you see here? Anyways, Justin was sitting on the couch and he was like, that's the first time I saw our neighbors on that side, the back side. And I was all like, I've seen our neighbors. They have 2 dogs. Anyways, I thought that was just funny. Look at our beautiful painting that we found at it was like an art fair somewhere. But yeah, just wanted to show you. Look at what Jessica gave me for my birthday. I believe, yeah, that was my birthday. How cute is that? I love like the cloth flowers. I have a little SF, because you know we about that life. We love the Bay Area. Forever Mood. And then this crystal, I think Susan told me to get it. I think it's, honestly, I don't know. I think clear quartz or something. Yeah. I'm sorry that I haven't vlogged in a while, my friends. It's been quite busy with extracurriculars and just life. Like, it started, I think I kind of stopped vlogging around Mother's Day time because I hosted that weekend, and then the next weekend was Sharon's birthday, so we spent Friday, Saturday, Sunday just busy, the boys piano recital. And then this weekend, today's Saturday, happy Saturday, we are watching Chicken Little. Justin and the kids went to go pick him up at Jessica's house, and we are gonna just bring him back home here, but he's gonna go grab some donuts, and then Chicken Little and my boys will be back home. Yeah, we're watching Chicken Little today so that Jessica and her best friend can have like a girls' day with their older daughters. Oh yeah, so Squirrel, there was a story I was gonna share about the whole gym experience situation. So I've been there for over a year now with group personal training, and I did an in-body scan. The last time I did it was last year, and I've been avoiding it because I dislike weighing myself, and I just know, you know, like that, like it will make me feel a way if the results are not right or not what I was expecting. So I actually did it thinking that I was gonna get something better. I found out I lost muscle mass, and I don't know how. I was like, how does one lose muscle mass when they are working out consistently? And they were telling me, well, if you don't eat enough protein, your body's gonna get it, you know, from your muscles or somewhere. And that makes sense, because they're always telling me to eat protein. And I'm like, I'm trying, but I'm pescatarian. Like, how many slate drinks do I gotta drink? You know, my slate drinks is 42 grams. And I was like, this be hard. Like, eating so much protein is so hard. But yeah, and then I also gained weight. So not only did I lose muscle mass, I gained heck of fat. And I'm like, dude, what am I doing? Like, I don't understand. And then, like, I did turn 40, and then I turned 41. And I feel like something about turning 40 like messes with the metabolism and really like gets into perimenopause, and I've been feeling more of the hot flashes. So I think it has to do with my body changing in perimenopause, or people pissing me the freak off and my cortisol levels. Just kidding. No, not really. Yeah, my cortisol levels. Yeah, but if there's something about me, someone asked me like, oh, what's one a good trait about you, or not so good, that no one really knows. My cutoff game is so good. It's so strong. If you did me wrong, it's very easy for me to cut you off and never speak to you again and never even think about you once. Like, I know that sounds kind of psycho, but I don't know. Like, if someone did me wrong, I don't want to know them ever again. Like, I had someone like hurt me and I still think about them. And like, I can't believe that they were my friend when they treated a newer friend better than me. And I was good to them. So I just don't understand that. Like, I really don't. Long story short, sometimes if you're nice, sometimes people play you. So now I'm not nice. I'm a bitch. I will like have the highest standards for everyone that I meet in the future. No one can be my friend for real, for real. Like, everyone can be an acquaintance, but a friend and a best friend, oh my gosh, the standards is so trash and bare minimum for so many people. But for me, I hold everyone accountable for their actions, and I will not compromise. Because if you don't know how to apologize, you don't know how to act right, like, I can't help you at this big motherfucking age. We too freaking grown to not be held accountable. So yeah, I don't know. I just had to share that. We have a dinner date with our sweet boy, just him, because Jakey's at a birthday party at Chimborazo. We love this place. Let me tell you, we done got 4 of these sauces. Is it good, honey? Yeah, I just love this place. We went to Justin's friend's wedding, and that's how we discovered it. They had a food truck at the wedding. So pretty. This is like near Chimborazo. Friends, I don't even remember the last time I vlogged. I am all over the place with this vlogging situation. Today we're having Aunt Nancy for dinner. It's Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. Yesterday we went to Uncle Brad's house and swam in his pool. His son Alec, which is Justin's cousin, came and visited with his newborn baby. Newborn as in 4 months old, and then 2.5-year-old daughter. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then the day before, we babysat Chicken Little. So it's been a wonderful weekend. I'm tired though, but I'm really excited to have Aunt Nancy over. Let me show you what we were getting. We got Justin over here, getting ready to grill. We're gonna grill.
Memorial Day.
Hello. Yeah, so we're grilling hot dogs, burgers,
chicken. You marinated.
Oh yeah, chicken. Yeah, for hours. It's been like 5 hours.
Look at this strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, I made some strawberry lemonade. I'm working on the charcuterie board. And then we got like a salad mix, pear gorgonzola. And then I buttered up some corn, asparagus Justin's gonna grill. What else? Oh, and I made some peach cobbler. And then I'm going to cover up my air freshener. Everyone be asking what it is, and it looks pretty gross. So let me close that.